Hey, hello, welcome to the channel. My name is Adrian, welcome to English with Adrian. If you want to expand your vocabulary, increase your English, and speak like a native Englishman, then welcome to the channel. Let's talk about question words and creating open-ended questions. Open-ended questions where the answer is not yes or no or multiple choice. The answer is anything. Anything that's possible. Yeah. So there are roughly 9 common words to use that you can create these questions. Let's go through them, shall we? What, why, who, how, which, when, where, whom, how, I'll explain, and whose. Although it's technically 9, how is used in different ways. We'll get on to it. So what is the date? What's the date? 28th, I believe? Something like that? It's a question about things. Say, what is this? What is this? What is this? It's a thing. What's this? It's a thing. Talking about this. What is that? What's this? What's that? What's that? Yeah. Why? Why are you happy? Why are you happy? Why? Why? What's going on? Looking for the reason, the origin behind something. Why are you happy? Why are you sad? Why are you upbeat? The reason behind something. Well, I am happy because. I'm happy because. Then we have who. Who is the teacher? Who is the teacher? Who? Who is the teacher? Talking about people. Who is that? Who is she talking to? Who are you? Who am I? Who am I? Yeah, ooh. Let's not go down too deep with that question. Who am I? Ooh. How are you? How are you? How is the pen? How is the house? How's the house? How's the chair? Talking about the condition. Is it good, broken, fixed, repaired, compromised? The condition of something. Excellent quality, poor quality. And the way something is. Is it broken? Is it good condition? Is it repaired? Is it amazing? Is it fine? Is it good? How is the chair? Looks good. Looks good. That's how. Yeah? Let's look here then. Which? Which? So, which house is yours? Which house is yours? Which house? So we're talking about specify between two plus things. You got at least two different things. So there's like one over here, a few over there. Which house is that one there? There's a house over here. Which house or which pen do you want? There's loads. There's like 10 pens. Which pen do you want? Which one? Which pen? To specify. Not that one. Not that one. Not that one. That one. That's the one. Yes. They have number 6. When. When. When things happen. The time. Time. When is the flight? When is the party? When is the party? When is the lesson? Ooh, when is the lesson starting? Well, yeah, 12 hours. Ooh, just under 12 hours from now. Yeah, it's gonna be interesting. When is the appointment with the doctor? Oh, it's at whatever o'clock. Okay. Where? Where? Where is the party? We know when is the party. We know when time, but where is the party? Where? Where? So location. Where things are, over there, over here. Where's the car? Where's the cat? Where's the mat? Where's the bat? Where's the flat? We don't know. It's over there. Where is it? Where? Where? And whom. This is where it starts to get a little interesting. So, whom did you give it to? So, whom is the formal version of who, but it can also be used as an object in a sentence. So, whom is an object. I have a gift for whom it is addressed to. It's the person, it's the thing receiving the action. This is a gift for whom it may concern. For whom over there, whom over here, whom. So, whom did you give it to? Whom did you give it to? Whom is the present for? Very formal. Very formal. As opposed to who. We have who. Who we are. Who is the teacher? Who is the teacher? Who is the teacher? Whom is conducting the class? Who is teaching the lesson? Whom is teaching the lesson? At ing. Whom did you give it to? A verb. Who is the teacher? Just a noun there. Teacher, adjective, a noun. But whom did you give it to? There's the verb. Give. Ah, interesting. With a verb. And then number 9. How? How again? How tired are you? Oh, how tired am I? Ooh. How tired are you? It shows you the degree of something, like a little bit, a lot, not at all, yeah, a lot. Like you can ask how something is. How are you? I'm good. Good. I am good. I'm good. But then you could say then, how are you good? How good are you? How good are you? I'm very good. I'm feeling awesome. We're quantifying it more so. A little bit, a lot, too much, not enough. Like the degree of it, to what extent. And then number 10, whose? Whose book is this? Whose pen is this? Whose pen is it? The owner. Ah, there's my pen. Thank you. I was wondering where the pen was. I'd lost it, but now you've found it. Thank you very much. The owner of the pen. Whose whiteboard is this? It's my whiteboard. I'm the owner. My whiteboard. Whose camera is this? Whose camera is this? It's my camera. I'm the owner. I own it. Whose suspenders are these? They're mine. They're mine. What do you have? Ah, cool. So whose? So let's go through it again. What, why, who, how, which, when, where, whom, and how. Cool. Let's keep going. Let's keep learning English. So let's look at this then. What versus which. Sometimes a bit of confusion between the two. Let's clarify. So, see, what is in general? Like, just what? When you have no real choice, no real set amount to choose from. Because you see, which is you have a choice of, say, 2 plus things. Between 2 things. Which one? But what is? There's no limit. What? Which? Which? So, what is the fastest animal in the world? We have no choice. It's just open-ended. It could be anything. Don't know. Just what's the fastest animal in the world? What is it? But which is faster? Which is faster? A leopard or a lion? A leopard or a lion? Which is faster? Which one? I'm guessing leopard. I've no idea, to be honest. But when we use which, we're indicating as a choice. A or B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, and beyond. But what is just, nope, just open-ended, totally open-ended. What's the answer? What's the answer? Don't know. What's the question? The answer, it could be anything. What is your favourite book? What's your favourite book? Don't know. What is it? But which book do you like? Lord of the Rings or Harry Potter? Which one? Lord of the Rings, Harry Potter? Lord of the Rings. Yeah. So, What food do you like? Nom 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 nom. What food? I don't know. Tell me. But which food do you like? Fruit or vegetables? Fruit or vegetables? I'm not sure. I'm not sure, to be honest. Fruit or vegetables? I'm really not sure. Not sure. Okay. But you got a choice. So again, which is with a choice of 2 plus things, fruit or vegetables, lion or leopard. And what is open-ended. What food do you like? What food do you like? What food do you like? What food? You tell me. You tell me. Cool, but when I clarify that, what and which? Subtle difference. Very subtle difference. Let's keep going. So likewise with the what and the which, let's talk about this how often and when. Subtle difference again, subtle difference. So how often, it talks about the frequency. The frequency when it happens. The frequency. Once a week, day, month, year, daily, hourly, minute, annually, decade. Whereas frequency when something happens. But when talks about a specific time. Very specific moment. A specific moment in time. So, how often do you read? How often do you read? Like every day? Every month? Once a month? Once a year? How often? How often do you read? How often do I record videos? Every week. But how often do I upload a video? Every day. How often do you watch a video? Every day? I'm not sure. How often do you How often do you travel? Because ideally, you want to take a 6-month vacation twice a year. And I don't travel very often. Not very often. Maybe once every 6 months. Which is not good, I think. But I have not travelled this year in 2019 until September when I go to Gibraltar. It's going to be interesting. Yeah, how often do I travel? Not very much, for now. Not very much, for now. For now. How often do I teach? How often do I teach English? I teach English every day. Apart from Saturday and Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Wow. Saturday, Sunday, no. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Every day. 5 out of 7 days a week. That's how often I teach. But when do I teach? When? I teach at 1:30 in the morning till 5:30. At that specific time. And then I'll teach from 10:30 till 3:30. A specific time. Specific moment. How cool is that? When? When? When do you go for a walk? When do you go for a walk? Go for a walk. When do you go for a walk? When? Maybe on a Sunday. On the weekend. When it's good weather. When there's good weather and there's good temperature. That's when. Maybe 1 o'clock in the morning. Maybe at 6 in the morning. I really don't know. I really don't know. But when does it happen? Specific time. And then how often? How often do you go for a walk? Maybe once a day. Once a week. But I go, how often? Once a week. When? 1 o'clock. How often? Every day. When? 6 a.m. Not bad. Not bad. How often do I drive? How often do I drive the car? Not really that much. Little, not much. I'm not sure. About, I'm not sure. 400, 500 miles a month, maybe. I'm really not sure. Wow, that's like 3 miles a day almost. In a way, 30. And not bad. Not bad. Yeah, okay, cool. 30 miles. Not bad, okay, cool. Yeah, that makes sense. Yeah, so how often do you drive? Rarely. Once a week. but when? On Thursday night around 5 p.m, 5:30 p.m. That's when I drive. Cool. However, if you want to keep watching more videos, how often do you watch videos? You want to watch more of them, and you want to learn more about English grammar, vocabulary, expanding your confidence, and speaking like a native Englishman, then hit the subscribe button below and press the bell notification next to it for the latest uploads. Until then, bye for now, and keep going.